What if I told you there is a planet where it rains glass sideways, a star that is basically one giant diamond, and a place in space so empty it feels like the universe forgot to finish loading? Fact number 1. There are planets without stars. They are called rogue planets. Most planets orbit a star, like Earth orbits the sun. But rogue planets just drift through space completely alone. No sunrise, no sunset, no warm daylight. Just a frozen world floating through darkness. Fact number 2. Space is not completely silent. You've probably heard that in space no one can hear you scream, and that is mostly true because sound needs air to travel. But some places in space are filled with gas and plasma, and scientists can turn waves from planets, stars, and black holes into sounds we can actually hear. Saturn, Jupiter, and even black holes have sounds. And honestly, some of them sound like horror movie background music.
Fact number 3. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. This sounds impossible, but it is true. Venus spins extremely slowly. It takes Venus longer to rotate once than it takes to go around the sun. So on Venus, a day lasts longer than a year. And it gets weirder. Venus spins backward compared to most planets. So if you were standing there, which you definitely should not because you would be crushed and cooked, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Fact number 4. There is a planet where it rains glass. The planet is called HD 189733b. From far away, it looks like a beautiful blue world, almost like Earth. But do not trust it. Its weather is insane. Winds can reach thousands of miles per hour. And the blue color may come from tiny particles of glass in the atmosphere. So instead of gentle rain, this planet may have sideways glass storms. Fact number 5. There is a huge empty region in space. It is called the Booty's Void. It is a massive area of space with far fewer galaxies than expected. Imagine traveling for hundreds of millions of light years and seeing almost nothing. No bright galaxy cities, no crowded cosmic highways, just darkness.
Fact number 6. Astronauts get taller in space. Yes, actually taller. On Earth, gravity compresses your spine a little. But in space, without gravity pulling down the same way, the spine stretches. Astronauts can grow a few centimeters taller while they are in orbit. But don't get too excited. When they come back to Earth, gravity squishes them back to normal. So space can make you taller, but only temporarily. Fact number 7. A spoonful of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons. Neutron stars are what can be left behind after massive stars explode. They are unbelievably dense. A tiny amount of neutron star material would weigh more than a mountain. A teaspoon of it would be so heavy, it would basically break your understanding of reality. And the wildest part? These things are only around the size of a city, but can have more mass than the sun.